Is spelling a way to teach phonics? Many people think of spelling as something children do after they learn to read, but spelling can actually be a powerful way to reinforce phonics skills. I'm Dr. Sheila Tate, a reading methods instructor, and I work with future teachers on how to teach reading effectively in real classrooms. When children spell words, they have to think carefully about the sounds they hear and which letters represent those sounds. That's one of the reasons spelling can support phonics learning. For example, if a child wants to spell the word map, they have to listen for the sounds m, a, p. Then they connect those sounds to the letters m, a, p. That process reinforces the relationship between letters and sounds. When children read, they look at letters and connect them to sounds they know. When children spell, they do the opposite. They listen to the sounds and then decide which letters go with that sound and which letters to write. Both skills strengthen their understanding of how our written language works. Sometimes parents and teachers worry when children don't include every letter in a word. For example, a child might spell the word jumped as Jumt and leave off the PED. Or they might spell the word night as NITE. In many cases, this is a normal part of development. The child is often writing the sounds that they hear. Well, what should you do? So instead of simply saying that the word is wrong, you might ask some questions. Depending on the word, you might say, let's say the word slowly together and then see if there are missing letters. Or you could ask, do you hear any other sounds in this word? Another thing you could do is write the word yourself correctly and then say, let's look at how this word is actually spelled. This helps children notice sounds and spelling patterns that they may have missed. Some letters are harder to hear than others, and some words contain letters that don't match what children expect based on the sound alone. Learning these spelling patterns takes time and practice, and most often these spelling patterns are taught in school, but you can certainly teach them at home. If you remember one thing, it's this: spelling can be a powerful way to practice phonics because it helps children connect sounds to letters. And when children miss letters, it's often an opportunity to teach, not a sign that they're failing. If you have a literacy question, feel free to share it. I'd love to answer it in a future video.